Welcome to the Indian Beat. Let's take a moment of silence before we begin with the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Tonight, the boys football team opened up at home against Tri-Eastern opponent, the Tri-Titans. The Indians hope to start the season off with a win. Kickoff is slated for 7 p.m. Come out and support the Indians or catch it on K.I.S.S TV.
Tomorrow, our Indian cross-country team are at the Minter Central Invitational. Opening gun is at 10 a.m. Good luck to Connor Wasser and all the Indian runners.
Today is Friday, August 20th. Back on this day in history, in 1965, the Rolling Stones released their single, I Can't Get No Satisfaction, which ended up being their first #1 hit in the U.S. In 1966, the Beatles were pelted with rotten fruit during their Memphis. In 1974, Nolan Ryan pitched at a record speed of 100.9 miles per hour versus the deep. Finally, in 1977, NASA launched Voyager 2 towards Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune.
Good morning or good afternoon, all you guys. Welcome back for some more Freaky Fridays this year. Mr. Lynch here with the 6th grade science class. We got an interesting demonstration. We've attempted this once and it didn't go so well, so hopefully it'll work well this time, all right? What I want to do today is see if we can't prove that carbon dioxide, it's a gas that we actually breathe out of our system. When we breathe in the air and oxygen, our byproduct comes out carbon dioxide. We're going to make some carbon dioxide, and then we're going to see if it's not more dense or heavier than the air around us. But we need to do two things. We need to make the carbon dioxide, and we have to have a lit candle, and then the goal is to see if we can't get the carbon dioxide to pour out of this container. Now, why do we want to do that? Well, simple. We know for a candle to burn, it has to have a heat source, which we lit that with a lighter. It has to have fuel, that's the wax on the candle. And then it has to have oxygen in the air. So obviously there's oxygen in the air because it's burning. If carbon dioxide is heavier than air, I wonder what's going to happen if I try to pour what carbon dioxide is in here. If it can be poured into the candle, I wonder what the carbon dioxide is going to do. Maybe you already know. Well, let's try, okay? The easiest way to make carbon dioxide, you don't just want to breathe into a container. That really doesn't put a lot of carbon dioxide in there. You can take some baking soda, put about a 1/4 cup to a couple tablespoonfuls of baking soda in there, then add some vinegar, and the combination of vinegar and baking soda actually creates carbon dioxide. Like, got a lot of carbon dioxide in there now, I bet. We're predicting carbon dioxide is heavier than air. Let's see if this demonstration works. Watch the candle and the flame really closely. Boom! That didn't take long at all. The oxygen around in the air was helping keep the candle lit, but the carbon dioxide, we do know it's heavier than air because what happened? It poured out of here and layered at the bottom of the container and snuffed out the candle and took the oxygen away from the candle. Let's see if there's any more carbon dioxide left in there. I'm going to try and relight this. Maybe I'm going to try to relight this. There we go. Took me a time or two there. You think there's any carbon dioxide left in this? We'll try it one more time. There it goes. I didn't pour any liquid out of there. The gas that was in there was carbon dioxide. And it literally poured into the candle and snuffed the candle out. Now, I will tell you something that's interesting is there's not tons and tons and tons of carbon dioxide in the room, else it'd make us dizzy. There's more oxygen than carbon dioxide. But thank goodness carbon dioxide is heavier. It sinks to the bottom of the ground and swirls around, and we can breathe the air that's got oxygen mixed into it. Now you know a little bit more about a chemical reaction making carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is heavier than air, as you saw that it put the candle out. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration today. You guys have a great day.